What's up guys, Joe here with another episode of my Prelude series. Like most car guys, I spent a good amount of time browsing the interwebs looking for the next greatest deal, and I came across these 17x8 no-name wheels with more curb rash on it than a Fremont street worker, and thought heck, that'd make a great video. Now don't get too excited, these wheels won't be staying here too long. With just a few more pieces to source for the 5-lug swap along with my favorite work wheels, but hey, we'll save that for another future video. Seeing as these wheels were in pretty rough shape, I started with 80 grit and worked my way all the way up to 600. After sanding the wheels, I cleaned them with a wax and grease remover and blew it dry with compressed air. Now the paint I'm using is just an average spray can paint you can get at any Home Depot or Lowe's, Walmart, anywhere. Now I'm only into these wheels for about $100, and so the goal is to keep it cheap as possible. So I picked up a few cheap tires. I think I went with 205, 45, 17s for these ones. So for about $200, picked up some decent rollers for now instead of the stock wheels. Now as for installing the wheels, it was pretty straightforward. The wheels weren't too wide. There was this one little spot that I ended up shaving down just because of previous history of having these type of wheels on this type of car. The tire usually wears that part out, so instead of the tire doing it, I ended up doing it with just the grinding disc. That's going to be it for this episode, but I have a lot of awesome things in store, like moving into a new shop, remodeling my garage, and a lot of awesome things happening with the Prelude. So stay tuned for the future episode and future projects.